Now that is Z 2012. Lionel and Ronaldo had a discussion on the ages of Joe's sons. Ronaldo made following statement about Joe's sons. Joe has three sons. That is the first statement. The sum of the ages of Joe's sons is 13. The product of the ages of the son is the same as that of Lionel. Now, if nothing is given about Lionel, I do not think we can use this information. Joe's eldest son, Jijou, weighed 32 kilos. That is related with the weight. So again, I do not think I need to use this information. The sum of the ages of the younger son of Joe's is 4. Joe's has fathered a twin. So that he has his twin children. Joe's is not the father of a triplet, so he doesn't have a triplet. The LCM of the ages of Joe's sons is more than the sum of their ages. Okay. Which of the following combination gives information showing you to determine the ages of Joe's sons? So in this question, you can try the options. Let's say if I use first, second, third, and fourth information. First information, he has three sons. Second information, the sum is 13. The product is same as Lionel. So obviously I do not know, many combinations are possible. Product is equal to the Lionel, but we do not know the age of Lionel also. So many combinations. Joe's eldest son Jijou weigh 32 kilos. So obviously nothing to do with the weight. So we cannot find the answer by using third and fourth condition. So definitely you can eliminate all the option which is giving you third hint or fourth hint. So I can eliminate this is giving me third hint, no use. This is giving me the hint 4 hint, no use. I left with fourth option or fifth option. If I use the fourth option, which is giving me first, second, fifth, and seventh. If I use the fifth information, the sum of the ages of the younger sons of Jose is 4. Now, fifth information. First and second we have already used, 3 sons. And second information, sum is 13. Now, if sum is 13 and fifth information says that the 2 younger sons' age is 4. So let's say 2 younger sons are A, B, and C, and their ages is 4. So third has to be 9 because total is 13. But still, I'm not able to find out their exact ages because 1 and 3 is a possible combination, and 2 and 2 is also a valid combination. So right now I'm not able to get the answer. 2 possible combination. Look at the seventh information. Jose is not the father of a triplet. Jose is not a father of the triplet. So in both the cases, it is not a father of a triplet. So again, it is not giving me any further information. So seventh also not giving me a further information. So this is of no use. But look at this. First, second, fifth, and sixth. Instead of seventh, if I use the sixth information, it says Jose has fathered a twin. Now, if Jose is a father of twin, I can get the answer. The ages will be 2, 2, and 9. So by using first, second, fifth, and sixth condition, we can get the answer, not with any other combination. So that is the correct answer. So easy question. If you put it all the information in a sequence, you can go through very easily. Do not confuse that how to use all the information. We need not use all the information. Okay. Come to the next one. A number is interesting if on adding the sum of the digit of the number and the product of the digit of the number, the result is equal to the number. What fraction of the numbers between 10 and 100? Now 10 and 100, including both the numbers, if I ignore this 100, can I say all the numbers from 10 to 99, there are 2-digit numbers? We'll check again for 100. But first look at all the 2-digit numbers. 2-digit number, we write it in this way, 10x plus y. xy is a 2-digit number, so we say it as 10x plus y. What is saying? It is saying if I add the digits, adding the sum of the digits of the number and the product of the digits, x plus y plus x into y, this gives me exactly the same answer as equal to the number itself. That is equal to 10x plus y. But y is cancelled. So it comes out to be 9x is equal to x into y. X is again cancelled, so y should be 9. If y is 9, and obviously it is a 2-digit number, so x can take all the values from 1 till 9, x cannot be 0. So how many 2-digit numbers are possible? 9 two-digit numbers are possible in this scenario. But we need to check for 100 also. Is it possible if I add the digits of 100 with the product of the digit? Is it equal to the number itself? No, it is not. That is 0, that is 1, that is not equal to the number itself. So how many such numbers? 9 such numbers. And how many total number from 10 to 100? 91. What fraction of the numbers are satisfying this condition? It's 9 by 91. 9 by 91, it's not 0.10. It is less than 0.10, and there are all the option which is more than 0.10. So answer is none of these. It is less than 1 by 10 now, and no option is less than 1 by 10. So answer is none of these. Straight away. Easy question. Come to the next one. Now this question is the base system question. Consider the expression xx in base b, that is in base b, that is equal to x cube, where b is the base, x is any digit of base b, find the value of b. Now I'm sure you know the rule how to write it in base 10, that is given in base 10. So how to convert any number from base b to base 10? We multiply with the power of this base with that digit. So we write it x into b square plus x into b raised to power 1 plus x into b raised to power 0. That number is converted to that 10 base. That is given equal to x cube. Now can I take it x common? If I take x common, I'll get b square plus b plus 1, that is x cube. So my question becomes b square plus b plus 1, that is equal to x square, because 1x will be cancelled. That is my question. Now if you know that in a particular base, the digits which we can write has to be less than the base. Suppose if the base is 5, I cannot write 5. I can write maximum till 4. So that b जो base है that should be greater than the digit. So ये बताओ अगर base बड़ा है तो b square तो यहाँ पर भी है और यहाँ पर x square है और ये नंबर बड़ा है. अगर b x से बड़ा है तो b square प्लस b प्लस 1 कभी x स्क्वायर के बराबर हो सकता है. अगर x बड़ा होता, ये डिजिट बड़ी होती, तब तो b स्क्वायर प्लस b प्लस 1 x स्क्वायर के बराबर हो सकता था, बट ये खुद ही बड़ा है तो b का स्क्वायर यहाँ पर है तो ये डिजिट तो खुद ही आपस में इससे बड़ी हो गई. उसमें कुछ और ऐड हो रहा है, ये कभी x स्क्वायर के बराबर हो सकता है? नहीं हो सकता. यानी कि ऐसा कोई बेस ही पॉसिबल नहीं है जिसमें ये ऐसा होगा. सो आंसर स्ट्रेट अवे क्या आ गया? आंसर आ गया नन ऑफ द अबव. नन ऑफ द बेस विल सेटिस्फाई दिस कंडीशन. पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, तो सॉल्व करने की जरूरत नहीं है, होगा भी नहीं. Answer is none of the above because this is not possible. You can try options also, it will never satisfy. ठीक है? Come to the next one. Two 2014. Again, it's a base question. Two numbers 297b in base b and 792 in base b belongs to base b in the number system. If the first number, this number, is a factor of this number, then the value of b. Now if I simplify this number is 2b square plus 9b plus 7, and this number is 7b square plus 9b plus 2. So the question says this number is a factor of this number. It means this number is a multiple of this number. So now as nothing else is given, so in this question you cannot do anything else except putting the options. This number should be multiple of this number. Now use options. Let's say b is 11. So if I take b is 11, look at the first number. That is 7 into 11 square plus 9 into 11 plus 2. That is 121 into 7. That is 847 plus 99 plus 2. That is 101, so 948. And what is 2b square? Plus 9b plus 7. That is 106 and 242. That is 348. Is it a multiple of 948 is a multiple of 348? No, this is not satisfying. Similarly, you will try for 12. Similarly, you will try for 15. Later on, the only option which will satisfy is 19. So once you put 19, that will satisfy this answer. So no other way. You will just put the value in from the options in these two equations and check which value is satisfying. Only 19 will satisfy. That is the answer.